Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make corned beef hash, which is an easy one skillet breakfast. Let's go over the ingredients that you will need to make this dish. You will need potatoes, eggs, onion, corned beef, and black pepper. Let's cook. First, we'll start by dicing the onions and potatoes into bite-sized pieces. In a skillet on medium heat, we'll add some avocado oil and add our potatoes. We'll cook the potatoes until they brown. It usually takes about 10 minutes. Make sure you're not tossing them too much because we want to create the crispy shell on the potatoes. Next, we'll add the onion. We'll cook for a few minutes for the onion to get translucent. Now it's time to add the corned beef. Use your spatula to break down the corned beef. We'll let it cook for about 5 minutes to let the corned beef release its fat and get crispy. Next, we're gonna make some pockets and crack 1 egg in each pocket and add some black pepper. We're not adding any salt because the corned beef has a lot of salt in it. At this point, you'll cook until the eggs are cooked to your desired taste. We like our eggs medium, so we use the lid to cover the dish for the steam to cook the eggs. Now you know how to make this incredibly easy corned beef hash. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye!